So students, our next topic is standard form. But before standard form हम convert करना सीखते हैं numbers को different forms में. So standard form. So it's an observation. Let's write some number 4, 3, 7, 1. Okay. So where you can see decimal. Where you can see decimal. So when there is no decimal, decimal always at the end. Okay. So here we have the decimal. अब इस decimal को आप convert करें और shift करें. We can say let's shift this decimal before this digit 1. Okay. तो आप क्या करोगे? You will write 437.1. So I think I have to multiply it with 10 raised to power 1. Let me show you. If I multiply 437.1 cross 10 raised to power 1, so you will get 4371. So yes, I can write the 4371 in this form. Okay. Let's do it one more time. अगर हम लिखें 4371 is equal to 43.71 cross. So what should I write in power of 10? It will be 100. Okay. So if you multiply 4371 with 100, you will get 43.71 with 100, you will get 4371. Okay. So 4371 can also be written as 4.371 cross 10 raised to power 3. 4371 can also be written as 0.4371 cross 10 raised to power 4. 4371 can also be written as 0.04371 cross 10 raised to power 5. अब हम इसमें क्या सीख रहे हैं? Students, if I move this decimal one digit before, I will write 1 in the power. If I move this decimal 2 digits before, I will write 2 in the power. If I move this decimal 3 digits before, I will write 3 in the power of 10. If I move this decimal 4 digit before, I will write 4 in the power. If I move this decimal 5 digits before, even 5 digits थे भी नहीं, हमारे पास 4 थे, हमने एक खुद से 0 लगाया. ठीक है. तो आई विल डेफिनेटली राइट 5 इन द पावर. ठीक है. ये एक ऑब्जर्वेशन थी. सो लेट्स सी if we move decimal to the right, so what will happen? So let's take a number 3.245. So if I move this decimal to the right, so I can write 32.45 cross what should I write in power of 10? Is it 1 or -1? Let's say हम कैलकुलेटर से पूछ लेते हैं. So if I multiply 32.45 with 10 raised to power -1, तो हम देख रहे हैं कि क्या हम इसको कैलकुलेटर में डालें तो ये आंसर आता है. Yes, we got the same answer. So this time we are not writing +1, we are writing -1. So moving decimal to the right, you will write power negative. Okay, let me show you one more time. 3.245 can also be written as 324.5 cross 10 raised to power -2. 3.245 is equal to 3245 decimal at the end. अपना भी लिखे तो मसला नहीं है. Cross 10 raised to power -3. So 3.245 is equal to 3250 cross 10 raised to power -4. So let me tell you कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. So students, if I move this decimal one digit to the right, I will power -1. If I move this decimal 2 digits to the right, I will write -2 in the power. If I move this decimal 3 digits to the right, I will write -3 in the power. if I move this decimal four digits to the right, but there are only three digits. So I will write one more zero, okay? But the power will become -4. तो आपने यहां से कॉन्सेप्ट ये लेना है, ओके? अब कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? अगर इफ वी मूव डेसिमल टू द राइट द पावर इज नेगेटिव, इफ यू मूव डेसिमल टू द लेफ्ट द पावर इज पॉजिटिव, ठीक है? तो हम यहां पे एक नोट लिख लेते हैं, डेसिमल मूव राइट पावर नेगेटिव, इन शॉर्ट डेसिमल मूव लेफ्ट पावर पॉजिटिव, ठीक है? तो ये दो सिनेरियोज मैंने आपको दिखा दी। सो इन दिस केस इफ यू मूव डेसिमल टू द लेफ्ट the powers are positive, okay? And if you move decimal to the right the powers are negative, ठीक है? तो ये आपने कॉन्सेप्ट याद रखना है। सो नाउ लेट्स सी द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। व्हाट इज स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म? तो डेफिनेशन ये है स्टूडेंट्स इसकी, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ये है, एनी नंबर n can be written as a cross 10 raised to power n, where a must be less than 10 and greater than or equal to 1, and n should be some integer. So this is the formula for standard form, okay? This is the formula for standard form, we can say. अब इसको हम समझते हैं एग्जाम्पल से। एग्जाम्पल, write 2374 in standard form. तो हम क्या करेंगे? लेट्स अगर मैं लिखता हूं 2374, वेयर इज द डेसिमल? व्हेन देयर इज नो डेसिमल, डेसिमल लाइज एट द एंड, ओके? अगर डेसिमल नजर नहीं आ रहा तो वेयर इज द डेसिमल? डेसिमल लाइज एट द एंड। अच्छा, हम एक काम करते हैं, हम इस डेसिमल को मूव करते हैं टू द लेफ्ट, ओके? लेट्स मूव दिस डेसिमल टू द लेफ्ट एंड आई विल आस्क यू दैट विच फॉर्म इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। सो लेट्स अगर मैं इस डेसिमल को मूव करूं 237.4 क्रॉस 10 रेज टू पावर 1, 2374 is equals to 23.74 cross 10 raised to power 2. 2374 is equals to 2.374 cross 10 raised to power 3. 2374 is equals to 0.2374 क्रॉस 10 raised to power 4। अब इन चार में से एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है, बट फॉर दैट वी हैव टू कंपेयर दीज आंसर विद दिस वन। तो बेटा अगर देखें, लुक एट दिस फॉर्मूला, a must be less than 10 and greater than or equal to 1. A must be less than 10. So if you compare this form with this one, so can I say that my n is 1 and my a is this value? So can a be 237? A can never exceed 10. Look at this formula. So this is not the standard form. Okay? This is not the standard form. Look at the other one. तो n क्या है हमारे पास? n is integer which is 2, and this is my a which is greater than 10 which is 23, but a must be less than 10. A can never be equal to 10. It must be less than 10 and greater than or equal to 1. So this is also not a standard form. Look at this. N is 3 and A is this value, which is 2.37, which actually lies in this range. Yes, this is a standard form, okay? This is a standard form. Look at this one. Is this a standard form? No. This time, this number is your A, which is less than 1. So this number should be 1 or greater than or equal to 1. 1 से less than होना possible नहीं है. So this is also not a standard form. अब आपने ना कोई भी नंबर हो उसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म बनाते वक्त इन बातों को माइंड में रखना है दैट द फर्स्ट नंबर मस्ट लाइज इन दिस रेंज ओके इट मस्ट बी बिटवीन 1 and 10 सो दैट्स इट तो आप एग्जाम में ये नहीं करेंगे रॉन्ग अटेम्प्ट्स नहीं आप नहीं करेंगे ठीक है आप जस्ट करेक्ट वाली लिखा करोगे ठीक है ना क्वेश्चन 2 4370 so write this in standard form. So it can be written as 4.370 cross 10 raised to power 3. But 0 has no importance after decimal. So even you can write it 4.37 cross 10 raised to power 3. That's it. Next, 23000. So let's write it in standard form. So how you will write this in standard form? So 23000 can be written as 2.3000 cross 10 raised to power. So we moved this decimal to the left 4 digits. So I will write 4. But as I said, there is no importance. There is no importance of zeros after decimal. तो आप क्या करोगे आप करोगे 2.3 क्रॉस 10 raised to power 4. That's it. This is your answer. Okay. This is your answer. So sometimes if you write 0.000348, let's write this in standard form. So where is the decimal? Where is the decimal? This time you will move this decimal to the right. और कहाँ पे आपने लगाना है? You will write this decimal after 3. तो आप क्या करोगे? You will write 3.48 cross 10 raised to power. You moved this decimal here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits to the right, and you will write -4. Okay. So if you move decimal to the right, so how many digits? 4 digits. Okay. तो आप पावर क्या लिखेंगे? -4. Zero point 0.000048. So you will write 4.8 cross how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So -5. That's it. So this is your standard form. Okay, bacho. So in the next class, we will be doing some past paper practice. अच्छा समटाइम वो कहता है कि आपने ना ओरिजिनल नंबर की फॉर्म में लिखना है तो लेट्स से एक मैं एग्जांपल और लिख लूं दिस टाइम इट इज 4.4 क्रॉस 10 raised to power -3 +3 4.4 क्रॉस 10 raised to power +3 ठीक है अब देखें आपको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म दी गई है ओके यू हैव गिवन अ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म नाउ यू हैव टू राइट द नंबर ओके किस नंबर की ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है ऑर्डिनरी नंबर वी कैन से इट्स अ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म it's a standard form and this one is ordinary number. So look at the power. The power is 3. It means ये जो decimal है ये 3 डिजिट्स टू द लेफ्ट मूव हुए, ठीक है ना, इफ यू लुक एट द पावर। तो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल राइट 4 4 एंड 2 zeros. Why? Because this was the number. ओके, अगर अच्छा एक काम करें, जस्ट हाइड दिस नंबर, ओके, एंड मेक अ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ दिस। अगर आप इसकी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म बनाते हैं, आप क्या करोगे, यू विल राइट 4.4 क्रॉस 10 रेज टू पावर, this was the decimal, and you moved 1 2 3 to the left, so 3 to the left means power positive 3. That's it, यही आपको दिया हुआ था, and you are asked to write the ordinary number. तो आपने जब पावर 3 है तो एक डिजिट था 0.4 और दो जीरोस आपने खुद से लगाने हैं, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन 7, 1.325 cross 10 raised to power 6. So what will be the ordinary number? What will be the ordinary number this time? This will be 1 3 2 5. अब देखें, पावर 6 है और 3 डिजिट्स ये हैं, ठीक है। सो देयर शुड बी 3 more zeros, okay? So 1 2 3, this is your ordinary number जिसकी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ये है, ओके। सो हेयर इज द डेसिमल, इफ यू मेक अगेन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म तो ये डेसिमल कहाँ मूव होगा, 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6, and this is given here, okay? So 8 3.7 cross 10 raised to power negative 3. सो हाउ टू डील विद दिस नेगेटिव पावर, नेगेटिव पावर का मतलब यह है कि जीरोस पीछे लगने लगाने हैं ना, दिस टाइम यू विल राइट जीरोस ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, ठीक है। तो लुक एट द पावर इज नेगेटिव 3, इट मीन्स आपने ना ये डेसिमल मूव करना है 1 2 3, ओके। सो यू विल राइट 2 more zeros here, okay, so it will become 0.0037, ठीक है। So this decimal is moved 1 2 3, so 0 0.0, okay, this is your number. That's it, एक और कर लेते हैं इसका। Sometime they give you the standard form और आपसे कहते हैं कि इसकी ordinary form आप लिख के बताएं, ठीक है। Now the next topic is addition and addition. The next topic is adding, subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. That how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide two standard forms. So how to add, multiply, subtract, and divide two standard form. Okay. So starting from a question. So starting from a question. First of all, add. Okay, addition. So this is 5 cross 10 raised to power 7 minus 2 cross 10 raised to power 6. So how to add or subtract two standard forms? Okay, 5 cross 10 raised to power 7 plus 2 cross 10 raised to power 6. तो आपने स्टूडेंट इसका पॉइंट याद रखना है, मेक पावर्स सेम. ओके, मेक पावर्स सेम, मेक पावर्स इक्वल, सेम. तो आपने जो 10 की पावर है, यू हैव टू मेक देम इक्वल. So how to make them equal? It is so simple. Let's write 5 cross 10 raised to power 1 cross 10 raised to power 1. 5 cross 10 raised to power 1 cross 10 raised to power 6 plus 2 cross 10 raised to power 6. So 5 cross 10 will become 50 cross 10 raised to power 6 plus 2 cross 10 raised to power 6. Now take 10 raised to power 6 common. So inside will become 50 plus 2, that is 52 cross 10 raised to power 6. So is this in standard form? No, 52 is greater than 10. So you will write 5.2. Basically, the decimal is at the end of 52. So move this decimal to the left. So it will become 5.2 cross 10 raised to power 1 cross 10 raised to power 6 is already there. Now bases are same. So 5.2 cross 10 raised to power 7. You will simply add both powers. That's it. You simply add both powers, okay? Next one is question 2. It is again addition. Question is 2.7 cross 10 raised to power 11 plus 9 cross 10 raised to power 12. So it is 2.7 cross 10 raised to power 11 plus 9 cross 10 raised to power 12. अब देखें, let's make their powers equal. Let's make their powers equal. How to make the power equal? You will first of all write 2.7 cross 10 raised to power 11, then plus 9 cross 10, and then cross 10 raised to power 11. So it will become 2.7 cross 10 raised to power 11 plus 9 times 10 is 90 cross 10 raised to power 11. Now take 10 raised to power 11 common, and inside will become 2.7 plus 90, which is 10 raised to power basically 92.7 cross 10 raised to power 11. Is this in standard form? No, 92.7 is greater than 10. Okay, so let's write 9.27 cross 10 raised to power 1 cross 10 raised to power 11. मैंने क्या किया? मैंने डेसिमल को लेफ्ट साइड पे मूव कर दिया. ओके, सो दैट इट बिकम्स 9.27. तो एक 10 रेस्ट की पावर 1 भी आएगा. सो इट विल बिकम 9.27 क्रॉस 10 रेस्ट टू पावर 11 प्लस 1 इज 12. So that is your answer. That is your answer. Problem 3. Subtraction. So how to subtract? तो subtraction में भी क्या करना होता है? Make powers same. Make powers same. So same concept है. So starting from 6 cross 10 raised to power 10 minus 5 cross 10 raised to power 9. That's it. So let's subtract these two standard forms. तो इसका point क्या है बेटा? What to do? Make power same. So how to make power same? Let's break this power 10. So when you will break this power 10, you will write 6 cross 10 raised to power 1 cross 10 raised to power 9 minus 5 cross 10 raised to power 9. So 6 times 10 is 60 cross 10 raised to power 9 minus 5 cross 10 raised to power 9. Now I can take 10 raised to power 9 as common. So inside is 60 minus 5, which is 55 cross 10 raised to power 9. And 55 can be written as 5.5 cross 10 raised to power 1 cross 10 raised to power 9. So the answer is 5.5 cross 10 raised to power 10. So this is in standard form. So now let's see how to multiply. Problem number 4. So it is about multiplication. Multiplication. So question is 6 cross 10 raised to power 10 into 5 cross 10 raised to power 9. So how to multiply two standard forms? It is so simple. Simply multiply the numbers 6 times 5, which is 30, cross 10 raised to power 9 cross 10. Basically, you will, 10 raised to power 10 plus 9. Okay. Bases are same. You simply add both powers. So 30 cross 10 raised to power 19. Is this in standard form? No. 30 is greater than 10. तो आप क्या करोगे? 30 को लिखोगे 3 क्रॉस 10 raised to power 1 cross 10 raised to power 19. So it can be written as 3 cross 10 raised to power 20. So that's it. Okay. One more question. It is again multiplication. So it is again multiplication. 8 cross 10 raised to power minus 6 cross 2 cross 10 raised to power 11. So how to multiply them? Simply multiply 8 with 2, which is 16, cross 10 raised to power minus 6 plus 5 plus 11. So 16 cross 10 raised to power 11 minus 6 is 5. So then write 16 as 1.6 cross 10 raised to power 1 cross 10 raised to power 5. So it can be written as 1.6 cross 10 raised to power 6. That's it. Okay. The last one is division. How to divide two standard forms. Divide. So it is 8 cross 10 raised to power minus 6 divided by 2 cross 10 raised to power 11. So how to divide them? Simply divide 8 with 2. Okay. So what is 8 over 2? 8 over 2 is 4 cross 10 raised to power minus 6 minus 11. So it can be written as 4 cross 10 raised to power minus 17. That's it. So this is in standard form. Next we have problem 7. Again divide 2.7 cross 10 raised to power 11 divided by 9 cross 10 raised to power 12. So now divide 2.7 with 9. तो इसको आप अलग से सॉल्व कर लें. So 2.7 over 9 can be written as 2.7 over 9 times 10 over 10. Okay. हम डेसिमल्स को ख़त्म करने के लिए 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, तो सो 2.7 टाइम 10 इज़ 27 over 9 times 10. Never multiply 9 and 10. Never ever multiply. Okay, so 9 ones are, 9 threes are. So it is 3 over 10, which is 0.3. So 2.7 over 9 is just 0.3. Okay. So it is 0.3. So it means the answer is 0.3 cross 10 raised to power 11 minus 12. That's it. Okay. So 0.3 cross 10 raised to power minus 1. So is this in standard form? No. 0.3 is less than 1. तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में क्या होता है, नंबर शुड बी ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 1. तो डेसिमल को आप राइट साइड में मूव करोगे. So this time it becomes 3 cross 10 raised to power minus 1, because you move decimal 1 unit to the right, and then cross 10 raised to power minus 1 was already there. So 3 cross 10 raised to power minus 2 is your final standard form. Okay. So students, we are done with the standard form. हमने एडिशन भी सीख ली, मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी, सब्ट्रैक्शन भी, डिवीजन भी. ओके. सो फर्स्ट वन वाज एडिशन. ठीक है. फिर हम दो एग्जांपल, एक दो की थी सब्ट्रैक्शन की, देन हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन की, एंड इन द लास्ट वी डिड डिवीजन. सो इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास वी आर स्टार्टिंग द पास्ट पेपर क्वेश्चंस. मैं पूरी वर्कशीट आपको सॉल्व करके अपलोड कर दूंगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़.